What if you could turn a single sentence into a complete PPT in under a minute? Not just outline, not just titles, a full presentation ready to use. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to test out a platform that allows you to build presentations with single prompt. So if you are someone who keeps building presentations, then this video is for you. The tool is called Dokie AI. With Dokie, you can build full presentation where it takes care of everything: content, strategy, and design. So let's actually jump in and see how this platform works, what are the features, and what are actually useful. So before we begin, Dokie, like multiple other platforms, works on credit system because it uses AI. And in the free plan, we get limited credits. So we are going to test out a few things, and rest of the things we'll just understand how it works. So I'm going to get started and create an account with Google. So I just created my account and it asked me for 3 steps to get started. Where did you hear from us? Let's click on continue. What industry are you in? Technology or maybe education. Continue. What do you mainly use presentations for? Business pitch. Jump in. Okay, this is the screen that we see when we create an account, and we can see that we have got 350 credits, right? Welcome credits is 300, expires on March 19, 2027, which means 1 year from now. And then we get daily free credits of 30. Okay, so overall 350 credits. And right now there is some offer going on, 50% limited time offer. So if you feel that the free plan gave you what you're looking for, and if you want more, then go for the paid plan. Okay, so we have tested a few presentation builder using AI. Let's see how Dokie is actually different and if it is different. So the interface looks very minimalistic, right? Clean. So you have slides, social media, and long scroll. And this is where you give your prompt. You can attach the files. You have a few themes here, right? So you can also use your brand material. And this is custom. So upgrade to enjoy custom theme features. Let's see how do we build the presentation. Slides is for presentation. Social media is mainly focused on Instagram or carousel posts. And long scrolls is something which can be for vertical scrolls or mobile phones. So let's get started, and I'm going to give this as a prompt. Please provide content for a 10-slide PowerPoint presentation on global warming, including its causes, impacts, and possible solutions. Include multiple images, real-life examples, and practical applications to make the presentation clear and engaging. Cover key areas such as greenhouse gases, climate change effects, environmental and economic impacts, and actionable steps. Steps individuals and organizations can take to reduce global warming. And as I mentioned before, we can also choose the theme. Okay, you could choose some standard theme like this, or you could also use brand materials, like for example, choose a brand kit and create brand material. So I'm going to upload the ABCD logo, and let me call this as ABCD, right? So click on create, and there you go. It has been selected, and I can choose the theme. Let's say, for example, I'll choose this one, right? I'll click on apply, and then I'll hit enter. So you can see that it started a new project, and like with multiple AI tools, right? So it will start showing us the pointers on the left side, whereas key information is available on the right side. Like page count is auto, animation is balanced, language is English, and this is the theme that we have selected. And we've also mentioned use brand material. This is the one we are using. Refine the outline with smart text and image search. And let me click on confirm. So this was the key information, and because I clicked on confirm, it says okay, and then it is generating now. So let's wait and watch the magic. So it's searching about global warming, and then it's also searching for some images. So let's wait. So while this is happening at one end, I'll go to some other account. We'll go to social media, and I'm going to paste this. Create a 3-slide Instagram carousel explaining how AI is changing everyday life. Keep it simple, engaging, and easy to understand with short captions and clear examples. Okay, so I can choose like Instagram post, Instagram story, LinkedIn carousel, Facebook post, and so on and so forth. So right now what I've chosen is Instagram post, and I'll leave the theme as is, and I'll just hit enter. So it'll create a new project and start working on 3-slide Instagram carousel. So again, it's asking for key information, page count is auto, ratio, language. Of course, you can change the ratio if you want, right? Use brand materials if you want, refine the outline with smart text and image search. I'll click on confirm. So it will start working on the next steps. So cover page, everyday convenience, smarter work and study, health, shopping and home, ending page. Okay, so it's going to be a 5-page slide. I think we asked for 3, right? Yeah, so it is very generous. It wants to give you 5. So you can just confirm and generate, or if you want any changes, you can just ask it to make any changes. I'll click on confirm and generate. Perfect. And now I'll now create your Instagram carousel about AI in everyday life. So you can see that it is cooking up something for us. 5 slides. Let's wait. We need to be very patient. Okay, there you go. AI guide, upgrade daily life with AI in 7 days. Simple steps to transform your routine. Okay, so I have to swipe it here. Oh, this is still happening. Okay, and there you go. So it has generated this thing: cover page, title, subtitle, and then content, catalog page, then what's happening, main causes, right? So it has generated some 10-slide presentation. Now, again, this is not a presentation yet. It has just given us what is the topic and what it is going to cover in the presentation. And if you want any changes, you can mention it. If you think this is good enough, you can just click on confirm and generate, right? So once you confirm, it will start generating the final presentation. So you can see here, updating project brand, project named global warming presentation. We also have long form content, and then it will generate doc to scroll or URL to scroll or YouTube to scroll. So let's go ahead and try out YouTube to scroll. So while this is getting built, let's quickly check the third option, which is long scroll. And this is meant for educational content or tips and so on and so forth. Again, you can upload the doc, you can give a URL, or you can also give YouTube link, and then it will create a scroll post for you, right? So long scroll. So whenever you go to any of these sections, you can see doc, URL, or YouTube, right? So same thing. Here you have refresh your slides, okay, which means that if you already have a slide, then you can upload that and ask it to refresh it. Okay, so you can see here, upload your file, Dokie will instantly analyze and redesign your slides with a fresh, polished look. For best results, we recommend presentations of up to 50 slides. Now that's a massive thing, right? I mean, if you are already able to generate 50 slides, then that's amazing. Anyway, so you could also use ChatGPT or something like that to generate 50 slides of content, not the final design, but the content itself. And then you can upload it onto Dokie to generate the final presentation. But let's first check how did it generate the first presentation. So we have got the first slide here. We can see global warming causes, impacts, and solutions. I think this could have been much bigger because that's the whole point in this presentation. And then we have the agenda and the third slide, which is the planet is warming due to human influence. Key observed warming, IPCC AR6 synthesis, like some technical things, real life example, and so on and so forth. And then emission, higher GHG concentration, more heat trapped, warming impacts. Okay, so it says 1.09 degrees Celsius observed warming. I think it is compared between 2011 to 2020 versus 1850 to 1900. Okay, so we have got 1.09 degrees Celsius observed warming. Okay, so it is generating a 10-slide presentation. Let's wait for it to finish all the slides. It's taking some time. Okay, I have to admit it's taking some time. I think it's been around 10 minutes. It's just generated 3 so far. So let's test YouTube to slides just to see what happens. So I'm going to give this link, click on next. And the presentation is almost ready. And you can see here global warming causes impacts and solutions. And tomorrow's date, I don't know why it used tomorrow's date, but anyways, so the agenda clearly mentioned the planet is warming due to human influence. So some details about it. The fourth slide is still generating. Let's wait. But the fifth slide shows us multiple indicators confirm a warming climate, right? So sea level rise, glaciers and ice loss, ocean heat. Okay, so it has also got some image, which I'm not sure if it is relevant to the topic, but yeah, it has given us some details, right? So if you go here, impacts are already visible on land, oceans, and health. So ecosystem, water, health, real life examples. Okay, Amazon basin, Southeast Asia, heat wave, and so on and so forth. Then seventh slide is about climate risk, is a business risk. Okay, so physical risks, transition risks, and practical applications. So some details about it. Looks neat, right? I mean, it's not all over the place. Each slide has some image, some pointers. So with our brand, so it's actually good. You can see here mitigation, reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Okay, again, power, transport, building, industry, and land. High impact levers. Okay, and then it has mentioned what are those. And again, ninth slide is getting ready. And thank you. Right? So most of the slides I actually liked. I am not a presentation guy. I generally don't prepare presentations, but it looks good. I would have liked this to be slightly better because there is a lot of empty space here. But apart from this, I think all the other slides were pretty good. What do you think? And our Instagram carousel is almost ready. You can see upgrade daily life with AI in 7 days, simple steps to transform your routine. And then AI does the little things faster. Smart suggestions, better search, photo help. Key idea, AI saves minutes all day. Those minutes add up. All right, that's right. And your personal assistant, not a replacement. Writing support, draft email, summarize long docs, fix tone. Likewise, learning boost, explain concepts in simpler words, quiz you on key points. The third one is planning, turn messy notes into checklists and timelines. Okay, so do and don't. Fourth one, let's wait for it to generate. The fifth one is make AI work for you. Try one small AI feature today, save this carousel and share with a friend. Plus follow Everyday AI Guide for more. No, follow Red7 AI. And that's Dokie AI for you. Honestly, I think for somebody like me who does not understand design so well, the carousel was pretty good. And the presentation as well, it was decent, right? I mean, it added our brand logo, it got the information that is needed. And apart from one slide that I mentioned, I think the rest of them were pretty decent. With one image, a few pointers, and some details. Not too much information, not too cluttered. It was to the point. So what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.